In this video, we are going to see an AI lead generation work that enriches LinkedIn leads and finds contact info. Click Execute Workflow to enrich leads in your CSV file in Google Sheet. View leads in the Google Sheet. List of leads to enrich using our workflow. The first lead is enriched, status set to enriched, and the workflow will continue enriching all leads in this Google Sheet. Add names and companies for leads to enrich this workflow. Set up this workflow step by step, starting with the first node. Open the configuration settings of the selected node. This filter keeps leads with not enriched status, filtering those not yet enriched in the workflow. Confirm filter selection for unenriched leads. Click Waterfall Enrichment Agent to access the AI for lead enrichment. Click the first link in the description to visit LinkFinder AI. Click Start Free Trial to create a free LinkFinder AI account. Click here to copy your API key from the Access section. LinkFinder AI Tools. Our AI agent uses to enrich leads and find contact details. Click the first link to set up the AI agent tools. Add your API key in the authorization field. This enrichment node company name to employee count finds the number of employees from a company name. Click to access the next LinkFinder AI. Find a company's LinkedIn URL from its name. Input, company name. Re-enter your LinkFinder AI API key in the authorization field. Check the enrichment type on company name to LinkedIn URL to use the tool that finds a company's LinkedIn URL. Access another LinkFinder AI tool in the workflow. Use the tool to turn a company name into its website domain. View details about the enrichment tool. Click Find a LinkedIn profile URL from a name and company, for example, Bill Gates Microsoft, to use this tool. Add LinkFinder API key here. Ensure type is lead full name to LinkedIn URL to find a lead's LinkedIn URL from their full name. Access the Enrichment Tools configuration panel. This node pulls results from scraping. Get LinkedIn profile info, title, location, headline, about contact details from a URL. Returns job ID/poll URL. Call check job status afterward. Add API key in authorization field. Click LinkedIn profile to LinkedIn info to retrieve full LinkedIn profile info. Click Find Email to use tool that finds a person's email. Read the tool description. Find a person's professional email from their LinkedIn profile URL. Add your LinkFinder API key. Check node type LinkedIn profile to email to find email from a LinkedIn profile URL. Click here to find a person's phone number. Read Find a phone number from LinkedIn profile URL. Add your LinkFinder API key. Click LinkedIn profile to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles. Configure next LinkFinder AI. Reverse lookup LinkedIn profile URL from email. Add your LinkFinder API key. Click Email to LinkedIn URL to find LinkedIn profile URLs from emails. Click Check Job Status to get the status of a pending LinkFinder AI job. Check the status of a pending LinkFinder AI job using the poll URL from the previous call. Returns processing or done with the result. Add your LinkFinder API key in authorization field.